Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make my award-winning chili recipe. Well, third place in my office chili cook-off winning. This is super easy and a traditional recipe that everyone will love. To start out, we'll want to brown a pound of ground beef. Then drain off any grease and set aside. Alright, back in the cast iron skillet, we're going to add in half a diced onion, half a cup of celery, 4 ounces of diced chilies, 3 to 4 cloves of fresh garlic, and we're going to saute this over medium heat for about 5 to 7 minutes. Once everything begins to soften up, we can add our ground beef back in and mix it all together. I transferred our meat mixture over to a 4.5 quart Dutch oven and can continue adding the remaining ingredients. Here I'm adding 1 can of Bush's baked beans. These will give you just the right amount of sweetness from the brown sugar. And 1 can of drained light red kidney beans. Next we add 1 can of diced tomatoes and 1 can of tomato sauce. Here I'll add about a half a tomato sauce can's worth of water. Next up are the seasonings. 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of chipotle powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, and a half a teaspoon of cumin. We're going to let this warm up over medium heat for a few minutes, and then we'll set the temp to low, cover, and let it simmer for about an hour. There we go, simple as that. Now just add your favorite toppings and enjoy. If you enjoyed this recipe, click like and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any chili secrets you're willing to share, go ahead and leave those in the comments. Thanks for watching.